Hi. So once again, I am here before you to tell you something tips which may be very important for your learning skill. Yes, dear, when you start the things initial time, you feel very nervous and you feel uncomfortable. That's why there is the solution for that. If you have nervousness and you feel uncomfortable, so how can you overcome on the things like that things? So you are watching English Education with Ashok, and today I am going to tell you a very important tips through example, and through this example you can understand very good way. So example is that about there are lots of species on the earth, and the nature of that species. So today I think that why don't we if give you the instance that you always aware and you always disturbed by this small tiny creatures, that is mosquito. Yeah, so this is episode 12, and in this episode I am going to aware, and I am going to make you understand this small and tiny creature. As you know that the nature of mosquito is very active, and this creature is very sensitive, and wherever it feel that some human are here and there, so when your presence is there are lots of there are some mosquito, and they sense the some person are here and there. That's why they try to just suck your blood, and in spite of you try to run away them this insect, but they never give up. Through this example there are lots of things and we can learn from that nature. So you are learning this language because you want to improve your communication skill. So why do you want to? And if such type of creature cannot give up their nature, their quality, so why can't we give up? So let's try and we can learn through this creature. That's why we every day we should try to speak something, we try to learn something, and whatever your activity, as you know that there are lots of activity whole day you are involved, and you would try to do the things on the right way, and you never uh, want to listen by someone and they humiliate you. That's why if you want to humiliate, then you give up. But if you want to praise yourself and by someone who praise you, then there is only one way to learn and speak in front of people. But you don't try to be perfect, because when you think about the perfection it will never come, because perfection is the things when you do the things 100%, and as you know that there is nothing in this world is unmountable, and nothing is perfect 100%. That's why perfection will come slowly gradually, and if you want to frequently the success, and frequently if you want to go ahead and speak something like any topic, then you would have to speak every day and start practicing. So I usually practice, and there are so many Hindi medium students whose initial time they don't know anything, but you know that sometimes after their hard work and they get the highest things which never you imagine. There are so many friends you and your around your house and wherever you would and wherever you live, and you know to surprise how can they get the things. So totally I want to tell you that you just try, and don't think about the result, because results are not in your hand, but your hard work is in your hand. So thank you for watching, and keep trying and keep consistency, and we continue with my video. So thank you for watching. So take care and bye bye.